Welcome to EDURISE. In this video, we'll determine the focal length of a convex lens using the UV method, one of the most important Class 12 physics practicals. Place a convex lens on a holder along the principal axis of the optical bench. Keep a well-illuminated object pin at one end and a screen on the other. Adjust the position of the screen until a sharp image of the object is formed. Measure the distance of the object and the image from the lens. These are U and V. Repeat the experiment for 3 different object distances and record U and V. Use the lens formula, 1f, 1v plus 1u. Calculate the focal length for each observation and take the mean value. The average focal length of the given convex lens is your result. Remember, accurate focusing and correct measurements are key to full marks in your practical exam. Like, share, and subscribe to EDURISE for more. Class 12 Physics Practicals made simple. Settings: educational tone, calm male voice, soft background music.